What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today, we got another banger video. That is because we have another e-bike to review, guys. This one's by a company called Jason. I believe it's a folding fat tire e-bike, and if so, I'm sorry, but I just made your decision even harder. If you're doing some research on getting your first e-bike, I would definitely look into getting a folding fat tire e-bike. I think these are like perfect for people that are just starting out. I like them because they fold really small. You could throw them in your car. They're really easy to assemble. It is a fat tire bike technically, but check it out. It comes with 20 by 3 inch tires, not 20 by 4. It's pretty beefy, okay? It's not as thick as a 4-inch tire, but I'm not gonna lie, I think I might like this. Let's check out this motor real quick. Looks like we have a 48 volt. Where is the wattage at? I want to say it's a 750 watt. So it actually doesn't say the wattage on the bike. We'll definitely pull up the specs on the website and see what we're working with. Testing, 1, 2, 3. There we go. All right, guys, so the bike is fully assembled. We're just gonna take it on a test lap around this little park right here. I still need to fully charge the battery, pump up the tires. But boy, this joint is moving, okay? I'm not mad at it. Now I am riding with one hand. Let's see how fast we can hit these turns. Oh yeah, not too bad. It's looking like top speed right now is 18 miles per hour. I'm gonna see if I can go into settings and change that. We're gonna take it up some hills. We're gonna do a top speed run. So hit that like button. This is becoming a banger. What's up, guys? We're at our designated spot about to perform this top speed run. First one's gonna be throttle only. What the hell? Why do we have ads? You're messing up my shit. I don't speak Spanish. What does that mean? Cedar? Pueblas? I don't know. Which one? Wow. Tricky. All right, guys. Like I was saying, what's up, guys? We're at the designated spot about to perform this top speed run. Sorry that there's so many freaking cars passing by. I decided to wake up early in the morning because I work a 9 to 5 and it gets too hot. By the time I get off work, I don't want to ride my bike. There's planes in the air, there's cars on the side of me, but we're about to get this test underway. The first one's gonna be throttle only. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Let's go, guys. Let's see how accurate the speedometer is. So it's reading a couple miles faster. Typical. It says 19 on the dash. We're really going 18. Here we go. Now I did not unlock the bike. These are the stock settings, pretty much. And it's looking like it's maxing out at 20 miles per hour, 22 on the dash. All right, guys. Next test is gonna be pedal assist. We're gonna put it in pedal assist 5, and we're gonna see how fast we can go. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go! All right, slow takeoff. We're moving now. Let's change those gears. See if we can get it up to speed. Oh, all right, we are in the top gear. We're currently going 21 on the dash and 19. Oh, here we go, 20 miles per hour in real life. You guys saw it. All right, guys, what I want to do now is see if we can change those settings. Sadly, I did not bring the instruction manual, so I don't know how easy this is going to be. Let's see, if we hold the I button, what does that do? Not a damn thing. All right, let's see if we hold the plus and minus button. What does that do? There it is. TC. This kind of looks familiar. Let's see if we can navigate through this joint. How did you get to the secret menu? I think it's you hold the I button and the minus button. That didn't do the trick. Let's see, hold the I button and the plus button. There it is, that did the trick. Level 1 is going to be 35% power. Level 2 is going to be 50% power. Level 3 is 70. Level 4 is 85. And level 5 is 100% power, as it should be. I'm really just trying to find the top speed, to be honest with you. I don't think we're going to be able to unlock it. That sucks. It has a password. I need to reach out to the company and see if they can give it to me. What's up, guys? We're at the bottom of this hill, about to perform this hill test. First one's gonna be throttle only. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All right, let's see. 14 miles per hour, 15 miles per hour. Let's see, on the speedometer app, we're going 15. Obviously, we're not gonna go anything faster than 20 miles per hour up this hill. Let's see what she does. She's slowing down. Guys, I haven't even looked at the specs. I don't even know if this is a 750 watt bike or a freaking 500 watt bike. All that I know is that it is struggling compared to other bikes. It's about to die. Yeah, I gotta let it go. I gotta let it go. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty disappointing. All right, this next one, we're gonna get a rolling start. This is gonna be pedal assist up this hill. It's looking like we're gonna have to give it a little help, because boy, oh boy, this thing is freaking struggling. Here we go. Let's go 17 miles per hour up this hill. Let's drop the gear. There you go. Let's see what we can do. Oh man, this is looking very scary, guys. Wow. Wow. Yeah, no. If you guys are new to this channel, I always take e-bikes up this hill and they never really perform that bad. Not gonna lie. Let's go ahead and look at these specs. What's up, guys? We're out here in the park and there's nobody in sight. What's going on? Am I living in a world by myself? Huh, Martin? Am I? No, you're not. Let's go over this bike. We're gonna start out at the front and work our way to the back. Up front, we're rocking some 20-inch by 3-inch fat tires. These are not 4-inch, but 3 inch is pretty fat. Right here, we have 160mm discs. Now these are going to be mechanical disc brakes. You're not going to get hydraulic. I personally like hydraulic. They work very well. These ones right out of the box, they didn't work pretty good, but I'm going to adjust them and see if we can get them to work a little bit better. Moving up, we do have a front suspension fork. This one is going to be a coil. It's not air, but it did the job. This bike actually comes with front and rear fenders. I actually like these fenders because they look metal, but they're actually the plastic kind. Let's turn on the headlight. It's daytime, so you can't really see, but there it is. And then I like this control panel. Look at it, it's different from what we've seen before. We have the power button in the middle. We have the plus and minus button. We have the I button just to change the menu. And then they also have a headlight button, but I think that's the backlight for the LCD. Moving over, we have a 7-speed Shimano shifter. This is pretty standard on these folding fat tire e-bikes. It's been working quite well. You guys know I don't really like to pedal, so I haven't really put too much use to it, but it does the job. We have the Jazion seat. To be honest with you, when I first got into e-bikes, my ass was hurting. Okay, it was hurting every single time I'd ride my bike, but I've been riding e-bikes for almost 2.5 years now, and I think my ass is like perfectly formed to each seat. It's like a memory foam ass, if you guys can imagine. So now we have a rear suspension, okay? And I'm happy to see this. Some of these e-bikes, these folding e-bikes, only come with front suspension. It seems like you can adjust it, but to be honest with you guys, I haven't really messed around with it. When it came out of the box, it worked perfectly, so I think I'm gonna leave it as is. Moving to the rear, we do have a rear rack that I will be taking off immediately. We're going full-fledged BMX on this one. And I actually do like it, I just don't use rear racks. We have a rear light. Let me check and see if this is a brake lock. Check that out. Love to see it. Let's go over the specs, let's pull up the website. And then at the end of the video, I'll tell you guys what I like about the bike and what I don't like about this bike. Here we go, guys. We have the Jazion website pulled up. This is the EB7. All right, this one's currently going for $9.99. Wow, that's a really good price. I'm not gonna even lie to you guys. The original price is $1,099. It's pretty close to one of my favorite brands. I'm not gonna say the name, but you guys know what I'm talking about. And they only have front suspension. So here's the specs. We have a 48 volt I can't even freaking talk. We have a 48 volt 10 amp hour battery, and this bike only has a 500 watt motor. I'm not gonna even do that. This bike has a 500 watt motor. I thought it was 750, but that actually explains why it didn't do so good up those hills, right? They claim it has a 40-mile journey. Pretty sure that means range. So it says it comes with free gifts. I didn't get any free gifts. It says buy one, get a phone holder, buy two, get a basket. Okay, I didn't buy one, but I got one. I should have got a phone holder. And then the max weight for this bike is 300 pounds. Shout out to all my big boys. What's the top speed of this joint though? It says torque is 45 to 50 Newton meters. I've seen 80 before on other bikes, just saying. They do not talk about the top speed, huh? Let's see. They will not tell us. All right, so according to the website, we do not know the top speed, but according to David Brand New, the top speed is 20 miles per hour. Let's see if I can touch the rim. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, whoo, still got it. Hold on. Let's make that rim shake. Oh, you bet you didn't know your boy had it in him. Used to be in the NBA. I wish. What I like about this bike, I really like the white frame. I like that white paint. It looks good. What else do I like about this bike? I do like that it has dual suspension. I love that actually. It's worked quite well. I haven't taken it off-road, but we will be doing that soon. I do like the color display. I really do like it. It's very clear. It tells you everything you need to know. And I like this control panel. It's different. It's big. It's easy to read, easy to operate. One thing that I do like with all folding bikes is that they're able to fold, okay? I personally don't feel comfortable putting a bike on the back of my car on a rack, right? I'd rather put it inside the car. And with these folding e-bikes, you can definitely do it. I do it all the time. If you guys want to switch to BMX bars, go ahead and head over to davidbrandnew.com and get you a turtleneck stem. I don't know why I said that. Anyways, what don't I like about this bike? I don't like this motor. It's okay, all right? If this is your first e-bike, you probably won't have any complaints. But when you've been riding e-bikes for over 3.5 years now at this point, you can quickly tell which ones got it and which ones don't. And this one doesn't have it as far as the motor, okay? It's cool, all right? 20 miles per hour is fun, all right? It's pretty fast on a bicycle. But your boy here needs a little bit more power, okay? I like to go up hills. I like to go 28 miles per hour, okay? This is a class 2 e-bike. If you guys are interested in a class 3, they have those out there. You just need to know what you're paying for, right? The price is incredible, so you can't really be mad at that. And it's a good bike. It's just not fast. That's my only complaint. Everything else is pretty good. I will be taking off this rear rack. I will be taking off those fenders, and I will be eliminating this ugly giraffe stem. And we'll be completely flipping it into a BMX electric bike. Stay tuned. If you guys want to buy this bike, I will leave a link to it in the description down below. Hit that like button if you enjoy this content, because I know you did. And if you're not subscribed, what are you doing with yourself? Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces like that.